Possessive pronouns. In today's lesson, I will explain you German possessive pronouns. I will give you all the different forms that exist. I will give you the declension, and most of all, I will also explain you what's the difference between a possessive pronoun and a possessive article. Hi, my name is Jan and I'm your teacher here on EasyDeutsch, your YouTube channel for German grammar. Today's topic is German possessive pronouns. I will explain you right now everything you have to know about the possessive pronouns. So let's switch into my ebook, German Grammar Explained Easily. So we're here now in my ebook, German Grammar Explained Easily. Today's topic, possessive pronouns. So let's go to the pronouns, and here we have the possessive ones. Let's zoom in a little bit. First of all, what are possessive pronouns? So possessive pronouns show ownership or belonging and always replace a previously mentioned noun. Der, for example, mein, dein, sein, ihr, unser, euer, ihr, and also the declined forms of them. Let's have a look at two examples. Ist das dein Koffer? Ja, das ist meiner. So is that your suitcase? Yes, this is mine. Wem gehört die Katze? Das ist meine. To whom belongs the cat? This is mine, or my one. Here, we replace Koffer and Katze. We could also say, ja, das ist mein Koffer, or ja, das ist meine Katze. If we have the noun there, it's not a pronoun anymore. It's an article. If you want to check out possessive articles, I already published a video about possessive articles, and I will link it for you in the info cards on the upper right corner of your video. But here I also show you a quick overview. What's the difference between a possessive article and a possessive pronoun? One advice to this, your teacher may call them both possessive pronouns because that's the official way of teaching in German. But I think that's not very good, because it will be very confusing if you call them both possessive pronouns, because they actually differ a little bit in the declension. So there are different endings in the pronouns than in the articles. And actually, an article is not replacing anything, but the pronoun is. So to call the article a pronoun is, in my opinion, completely wrong. But that's the official way, just that you know, I make a difference here. A possessive article is a possessive with a noun behind it. So if the noun is still there, wem gehört der Ball? This is mein Ball. This is a possessive article. So to whom belongs the ball? Or whose ball is this? This is my ball. This is a possessive article because we have an article in front of a noun. But if we say, wem gehört der Ball? Das ist meiner. So this is mine, or this is my one. This is a possessive pronoun because there is no noun here. And you can see here, it's both nominative, but you can see no ending versus an ending here. More about the declension later. First, let's check out which possessive pronoun you have to use with which owner. Same like possessive articles, exactly the same. Depending on the owner, you have to use a different form. And those forms are exactly like the forms of the possessive articles. So if you have ich, I, the base form is mein, so my. And then das ist meiner, this is mine. Same for du. Du is dein, so yours. Sein, he, his. Sie is ihr, so hers. Es is sein, so its in English. Wir is unser, so we, our. Ihr, euer, so the plural, yours. And sie in third person plural is der. And this is the formal you, so the formal version. So this is you, just you, yours again, with the capital S. Here we have ihr. So those are the different versions. It always depends on the owner. So das ist meine, das ist deiner, das ist seiner, das ist ihrer, and so on. And you can see here, we have the base form plus the ending. The ending is er here because it's nominative and it's der Ball. So you can see here already the er. We have the same here. It's der Ball because it's masculine, singular, and nominative. So there, we use the same endings here. For all of them, for all the forms, the declension is the same. The only thing you have to pay attention to is that with a possessive pronoun, masculine and neuter nominative and accusative neuter get an ending. So different from the articles where you don't use an ending at all, here we use an ending. And everything else gets the exact same ending like the possessive articles. So it's all according to the articles, at the end according to the definite article use. It's der, so we use meine. As it's das, so we use meins. It's die, so meine. Also plural, die, meine. Same here. Accusative, masculine is den, neutral, das, die, dem, der, den. Das, des, der. So you can see the ending is always according to the definite articles, and the only difference to the possessive articles is possessive articles don't have an ending here, but possessive pronouns do. And like previously mentioned, we use them if we drop the noun. Wem gehört das Auto? Das ist meins. So this is meines. Maybe here worth mentioning, with the S here, you can add an E here, but it's not obligatory. So you don't have to do it. Both versions are correct. And like the definite articles, if you use euer, this version, euer, eures. So we drop this E here if we add an extra ending with an E here. Unless we do this, then it's euers. Then it works without, but if you use it with es, then it's eures. So pay attention there, that's the only irregularity, but it's exactly the same like in the possessive articles. And also if you have adjective declension, in the moment you have an en ending there, you drop the e's there. That's the same with adjective declension. That would be too many e's there. If you want to check out adjective declension, I already published videos for that. You will also find this in the info cards at the upper right corner of your video. If you have any further question about anything regarding German possessive pronouns, please do not hesitate to write it in the comments below. If you like that video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Also, if you like to support me, there are several different ways how to do that. Obviously, you can like and share my videos. You can simply subscribe to my channel. But also, if you want to support me and also get more value out of it, the ebook that I used for my video, you can actually buy that. You will find the links in the comment below. There are more than 100 different lessons about German grammar, and I have also more ebooks about prepositions, about connectors, about the cases, and tons of exercise ebooks so that you can actually practice what you've just learned, what you've learned in all my videos. So check it out. The link to my shop you will find here in the video description. And then I hope I will see you back again in one of my videos. And until then, viel Spaß und Erfolg beim Deutschlernen.